Happy New Year, everybody. Welcome to Cara's Cucina, YouTube's first and only Emmy-nominated cooking show. I'm Cara Di Falco today. I have a really great, simple recipe for you guys to kick off the new year in a sweet way. Guys, today I'm going to show you a really simple recipe for a fig jam, and I got this inspiration. I was doing a little bit of research on some Italian New Year's traditions, and one of the things is to give, especially in southern Italy, jarred figs in honey. It's an ancient, an old tradition, but it was something to honor the sweetness of the new year and to wish people well. So I thought a fig jam would be a really good way to kind of modernize that. Makes a great hostess gift. You can put it in nice little jars, tie little bows around them, goes great with a cheese plate. So it's a really versatile thing to be able to make, and it's quick and it's easy. So I've got about 3/4 pound of dried figs here, and I just really roughly chopped them. They are gonna go into our pot. Dried figs much easier to find this time of year, obviously, than the fresh ones. Also, if somebody gave you one of those dried fruit platters, this is a good way to use up some of it. And you don't have to worry about getting it too fine or even pieced, because when we're done cooking this, we're actually gonna run it through the food processor and make sure it's nice and smooth. We're also gonna add in the zest of half a lemon, along with the juice. We're also gonna add in 1 vanilla bean, 1 cup of water, and then in kind of sticking with the tradition, we're just gonna add in about 1/4 cup of honey to sweeten this. So no sugar, just honey. And we're gonna get this over medium heat, bring it to a boil, reduce it to a simmer, and just let it cook for about 20 minutes until those figs get nice and soft and really start to release all of the soft part of their centers, their seeds, and then we'll get them through the food processor. After about 15 minutes, we can see our figs have cooked down. They're nice and soft, but we do still have those their outer layer. So just to make sure everything's nice and smooth, like I said, we're gonna run this through the food processor. The only other thing I did was I've pulled out my vanilla bean, and we're just gonna slice this in half lengthwise. And we're gonna open it up and scrape all those vanilla beans back into the pot with our figs. Once we have our vanilla mixed in, we're just gonna put our mixture into our food processor. And we're just gonna give this a quick pulse to smooth everything out. That's it, our jam is ready to go in jars. You can store your fig jam in jars. You can give it as gifts. It really is just a great, nice way to kick off the new year in a sweet style. It also goes really well, of course, on crackers. Hey guys, if you haven't checked it out yet, you can grab my homemade ricotta recipe as well. That's another really great combination with your fig jam. And again, also makes a really good gift. Guys, the recipe, of course, is at caradifalco.com. You can follow me, Facebook and Instagram at Cara Di Falco. I hope everybody really does have a very sweet, happy, healthy new year. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next week. Buon appetito.